Hey, welcome. Photoshop's flame filter requires a vector path, so we're going to make one out of Illustrator text by converting a copy of some text into outlines. That turns it into a path that we can then cut and then move over to Photoshop and paste once we have made sure no layers are highlighted, or else we get something else. But we can paste as paths. Then we can highlight an empty layer. If you don't have one, you can make one, and then use filter, render, flame, and you can spend a long time working with those options to make that flame work its way along the path in a coherent way. But once you do, you can hide any other layer except for the flamey one, and then save that file so that you can go back to Illustrator, use File, Place, and you can place that Photoshop doc. Once it's in there, then you can fine-tune its position over the text you had, and it's going to be hot.